All right, the drink we're about to make is Coco Rush. And first thing we'll do is put some ice in a glass here and measure out 1 shot of Malibu rum. And if you want an extra rush, go ahead and add a 2nd shot. That's coconut rum. And next we're going to add some orange juice. Do about half of what you have left there with orange juice and the other half with cranberry juice. So this is a great beachside or poolside drink to enjoy. Not going to be real strong, but it's going to have a really nice beachy flavor to it. Let's go ahead and mix it back and forth a couple times and set up a glass and pour it in. And I always like to garnish my poolside drinks with an umbrella. Give it a straw. And don't forget to say this: I'm cuckoo for Coco Rush. Bottoms up.